You probably think you know how airports work. You arrive, check in, drop your bag, and wait for your flight. But in 2026, that routine is about to change forever. Because the next time you walk through an airport, you'll be stepping into one of the biggest overhauls in modern travel history. A complete redesign of how passengers are screened, identified, and even boarded. Some of these changes will make your trip faster, safer, and more seamless. Others will catch unprepared travelers completely off guard. It all begins before you even reach the terminal doors. Facial recognition gates, once optional pilot programs, are now becoming mandatory at major hubs across North America, Europe, and Asia. Forget boarding passes. Your face is your ticket. Cameras scan you in seconds, matching your biometric profile to airline databases and border security systems. The goal is efficiency, but there's a hidden tension here: convenience versus privacy. By mid-2026, you'll have to opt in to the Biometric Traveler Registry to use fast-track lanes at most major airports. Decline, and you'll be rerouted through the slower manual line. A quiet pressure that pushes everyone toward the new system. Here's where things get interesting. Those new gates aren't just watching, they're learning. Artificial intelligence systems now monitor passenger flow, body language, and even stress indicators to predict bottlenecks and potential security issues before they happen. If an algorithm senses agitation or unusual movement in a checkpoint area, it automatically dispatches extra officers to that zone. You might not even notice, but the camera above you did. It's real-time behavioral analytics replacing traditional security hunches. And by 2026, it's everywhere. At the same time, traditional ID checks are fading. The TSA's new Digital Travel Credential program links your passport, vaccine record, and boarding history into a single encrypted QR identity. Instead of flashing multiple documents, you'll scan once at every stage: check-in, security, and boarding. It's efficient, but it also means one system outage could ground thousands. Last year's short trial in Dallas caused a 4-hour shutdown after a software glitch, and that was just a preview of what can go wrong. Then there's baggage. For 2026, the industry's switching to tagless luggage. Smart chips embedded in suitcase handles track your bag via Bluetooth LE and satellite instead of paper tags. It sounds futuristic, until you realize every movement of your bag is now logged in the airline's data system, right down to which employee handled it. And if your bag isn't where the system expects it to be, alarms trigger automatically. Lost luggage may soon be extinct, but privacy just took another hit. For now, most travelers are focused on the convenience: boarding faster, skipping paperwork, sailing through security. But by the end of this year, the question won't just be how you travel. It'll be how much of yourself you're willing to trade for speed. By now, you've passed through the futuristic gates and cleared security faster than ever before. But don't get too comfortable, because the next phase of airport transformation is happening where travelers least expect it, at the gate itself. Boarding zones, those chaotic clusters that cause endless confusion, are being phased out. Airlines are moving toward dynamic boarding, a system that decides who boards when, based on real-time data, not ticket class. It factors in your seat location, carry-on size, and even your walking speed from previous flights. The result? Planes that board 25% faster on average. But here's the catch. It's all determined by AI, not humans. That means if the algorithm decides you're likely to slow down boarding, you'll be pushed to the end of the queue, even if you paid for early boarding privileges. And you might never know why. Some travelers are already calling it digital profiling, because these systems learn from your previous flights, tracking how long it took you to store your bag or find your seat. The same technology that promises efficiency also quietly decides who's considered an ideal traveler and who isn't. Another massive shift? Security no longer ends at the scanner. In 2026, airports are rolling out continuous screening zones, invisible monitoring systems that keep watching after you've cleared the checkpoint. Smart cameras and RFID sensors embedded in ceilings and corridors track your movement all the way to the gate. The idea is to detect unattended bags, unauthorized access, or erratic behavior without disturbing normal passengers. What you won't see is that these same systems are also mapping crowd density, airflow, and even body temperature to flag potential health risks. One European airport is already testing pandemic early warning AI that can detect abnormal respiratory patterns in real-time crowds. And it doesn't stop there. Expect your boarding pass to come with personalized recommendations generated by predictive AI. You'll start seeing alerts like, arrive at gate 22C in 14 minutes to avoid delay, or grab food now, minimal line at gate 15 cafe. Behind the scenes, those recommendations aren't for your convenience alone. They're part of an experiment in flow control, a way for airports to manage crowd behavior without ever announcing it. The more predictable you are, the smoother the system runs. Then there's shopping, or what used to be shopping. Duty-free stores are turning into automated scan and go hubs. Instead of cashiers, biometric checkout stations charge your stored payment method the moment you pick up an item and walk out. It feels like magic, until you remember it's your face and travel ID that authorizes the transaction. Every purchase becomes another data point tied to your passenger record. By now, the airport doesn't just know where you are. It knows how you move, what you buy, and when you'll board. In 2026, the line between traveler convenience and invisible control has never been thinner. But the transformation doesn't stop once you're on the plane, because 2026 is the year airlines and airports begin merging their systems into one continuous digital experience. In the past, airlines owned the flight and airports handled the ground. Now, every tap, scan, and purchase inside the terminal feeds directly into the airline's passenger profile database. Your flight app doesn't just know when you check in, it knows when you buy coffee, what gate you pass through, and how long you spend in security. The goal is a single travel identity that follows you from curb to cabin. But it also means airlines now have unprecedented insight into your behavior, and they're using it to upsell like never before. Dynamic pricing is coming to the terminal. By late 2026, your in-flight upgrades, lounge offers, and even meal prices will adjust based on your digital footprint. If the system detects you're running late or stressed, you might get a real-time priority boarding offer at double the cost. If it senses you're a frequent traveler, it may flash an exclusive deal to tempt you into a premium seat. Airports call it personalized service, but behind the marketing, it's pure behavioral economics, designed to make you spend more by understanding exactly how you act under pressure. Another major change, the rise of silent airports. You'll start noticing fewer public announcements, no more constant boarding calls or gate reminders over loudspeakers. Instead, everything happens through your phone, your smartwatch, or digital signs synced to your identity. It makes terminals feel calmer, but it also means if your phone dies, you're effectively disconnected from the system. Miss an update, and your gate might close without a single word over the PA. Airports are betting on technology over human communication, and not everyone will keep up. Security officials are also experimenting with new traveler scoring models. Every passenger now gets an invisible trust score, an internal rating that determines how smoothly you move through the airport. The higher your score, the fewer checks and scans you face. The lower it is, the more time you'll spend in manual inspections. It's based on your travel history, destination, and even your previous interactions with security staff. Officially, it's about risk assessment, but experts warn it creates a quiet hierarchy between travelers, one where data, not dignity, decides who's trusted. Meanwhile, airports are reinventing lounges into revenue engines. In 2026, you'll see fewer exclusive airline lounges and more subscription-based experience zones. Pay by the hour, not by membership. These spaces track occupancy in real time, dynamically adjusting entry prices based on demand, just like surge pricing in rideshare apps. During delays, that $45 day pass might jump to $95 in minutes, and you won't even realize it changed. Your digital ID authorizes it automatically. By this point, you might wonder, Is the future of air travel more luxurious or just more controlled? Because behind every convenience, there's a system learning what kind of traveler you are and what you're willing to trade for comfort. And that brings us to the final piece of the 2026 airport revolution, the part that will redefine what travel freedom actually means. Customs and border control, once the slowest part of every international trip, are about to become completely automated. New e-gate corridors will scan your face, cross-check your travel history, verify your visa, and clear you through immigration in under 30 seconds. It's impressive, but here's what few realize. The system doesn't just check where you've been, it predicts where you're likely to go next. Using machine learning models trained on decades of flight data, it calculates your probability of overstaying or violating travel conditions. The result? Faster lines for most travelers and invisible digital red flags for others. By 2026, some countries are also introducing exit authorizations. Before you even leave a foreign airport, the system revalidates your visa status and departure record. For frequent travelers or those on digital nomad visas, this means every exit becomes a checkpoint of accountability. Miss one scan, and you could trigger a travel hold that locks your passport from future online check-ins until resolved. It's automation, but it's also enforcement disguised as convenience. And this tech doesn't stop at borders. Luggage scanners at international terminals will now use spectral analysis, a technology that can identify organic materials, hidden electronics, and even chemical residues inside your bag without opening it. Customs officers don't need to unzip your suitcase anymore. The machine already knows what's inside. In some airports, AI-linked scanning systems can even detect currency stacks or jewelry density to flag undeclared valuables. The world's most advanced border control systems no longer ask what you're carrying. They already know. Meanwhile, a quieter transformation is happening in airport operations. Human roles are disappearing. By 2026, a third of ground handling tasks will be performed by autonomous vehicles. Baggage carts drive themselves. Cleaning bots patrol restrooms and lounges. Delivery drones restock vending areas between flights. It's efficient and contactless, but it also means fewer human eyes noticing when something goes wrong. Passengers are safer statistically, yet somehow more alone. Still, there's another side to this story, the one travelers rarely hear. As automation takes over, airports are competing to reintroduce a human touch through curated hospitality teams. Think of them as emotional concierges, uniformed staff trained not to check documents, but to read emotions. Their job is to calm anxious travelers, assist elderly passengers, and offer empathy in a place that's becoming increasingly robotic. It's an acknowledgement that no matter how advanced airports get, travelers still crave something algorithms can't replicate: human reassurance. So, when you walk through an airport in 2026, pay attention. The old world of terminals and tickets is gone. What's replaced it is faster, smarter, and more connected. But it's also watching you more closely than ever. The journey hasn't just changed how we travel, it's changed what travel means. You've been watching Terminal Insider, where the real stories unfold beyond the gates. Subscribe because the next secret is already on the horizon.